Hello guys, welcome to Super Hyundai. I'm Baku and I'm back, and today I'm here to talk about an important topic, which is the service. We at Super Hyundai thrive to provide you the best customer service in the market. We have great promotions going on right now for servicing your car. We have 15% off on your brakes for labor and parts. That is huge. You want to make sure you have amazing brake pads and rotors to stop you safely. We have 15% off on a winter special program. That means you're gonna get your oil change done, filter change replaced, check all your suspension stuff with our winter special starting at only $124.95. We have always promotions going on like this. Why? We want to help you guys out. If you have any questions, any concerns, you can call us at service at 807-346-5809 and we can help you out. Thank you and have a great day.